Well, a few days ago I was hanging out with a couple of friends on Discord. We were listening to some music using the Groovy bot. Meme music to be precise. We started with I'm Blue. Then went to MC Hammer's
You can't touch this.
played Megalovania. And then jumped to a beautiful song which isn't a meme, and I urge you all to check it out. The song's called Childhood, which my friend Aryan composed, and it's on his YouTube channel. Please do listen to his music. I'll link his song in the description. Copyright strike mat kariyo Aryan, please. Finally, the last song that we played was To those unaware, the last song, Why This Kolaveri D, is a Tamil and English song from 2011. Because the melody is so catchy, I never really paid attention to the lyrics. But when we played it a few days ago, my friends and I couldn't stop laughing at them. With lines like Kawwa Kawwa, Holy Kawwa, I Want You Here Now, one really can't help but laugh. Granted, some lyrics of the song are slightly problematic, however this line really cracked us all up. Anyways, while listening to the song, my friend and I wrote the same thing at the exact same time. We both wrote Irshad. Irshad is typically used in Urdu Shairi for encouraging a person who is about to say a couplet, sher or a poem. And then it hit me. Why not make a bot that writes Shairi, i.e. an Urdu couplet, whenever the user inputs the word Irshad? I told my friends about the idea and they all thought that it was pretty cool. So I got to working on it the very next day. The first thing I did was chart out the functionality of the bot. I wanted the bot to be able to do three things. Firstly, the bot should give out Shairi whenever the user writes the term Irshad. Secondly, when a person has finished reciting their Shairi, the crowd chants Wah Wah and claps. So I thought that if the user ever writes Wah Wah anywhere in the chat, the bot must reply with the clapping emoji. Context: Wah is a compliment that can generally be translated to Wow, this is awesome. Lastly, whenever a person recites Shairi, they usually start with the term Arz Kiya Hai. It's a request to say something, after which the audience must reply with Irshad. Then the Shairi starts again with Arz Kiya Hai and carries on. So whenever the user would just write Arz Kiya Hai, the bot would write Irshad. After this, the user would write Arz Kiya Hai followed by their Shairi. Upon reading the Shairi, the bot would give a randomized compliment. So, after getting an overall gist of what I wanted my bot to do, I sat down to develop it. Here's what I did. Step 1. I downloaded Python. Step 2. I searched for ways to make a Discord bot. Step 3. I found a tutorial on FreeCodeCamp that was documented very well. Step 4. Using the help of the tutorial, I went to Discord's developer page where I created the Shairi bot. Step 5. I created a new Discord server to test my bot. I called the server Bot Testing. Very creative name, Rohan. Step 6. I went to the online code editor Replit. Technically, I could do this on my own local code editor, but the tutorial explained that I had to use Replit, so I just went with it. Step 7. I wrote some code that looked at user input that would try to identify the required terms needed, such as Arz Kiya Hai, Irshad and Wah Wah. Step 8. I copied the OAuth key that would connect the bot to the code. The OAuth key was put in a .env file because Replit makes all profiles public and all the files inside those profiles public as well, except for the .env file, which stays private. Step 9. I collected Shairi from the internet. And step 10. I ran the code.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
It worked. After some 80 tries, of course, but it worked. The bot was online and all my commands were perfectly responsive. I was given a beautifully written Shairi on entering -Irshad and someone was finally giving my own stupid couplet some compliments. There's just one caveat to this bot. It doesn't stay online for very long. The tutorial explained a method in which we could keep the bot online forever. However, the method caused my bot to get temporarily blocked due to excessive pings to the Discord server. If someone finds a way to run their bot permanently, then do let me know. Also, do mention some of your favorite shairi or couplets in the comment section below. It could be in any language. I'll integrate my favorite ones into the bot. As usual, the code as well as the tutorial will be linked in the description. I hope you liked the video. See ya!